Hello, welcome. A quick one on this. Question 2, objective test, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics Ghanaian students. In how many ways can 2 blue, 3 red, and 4 green balls be arranged in 9 holes? So this is more or less like permutation of multi-set. So if you are doing permutation of multi-set, it is nothing but to say number of what? Arrangement is going to be 9 factorial. The first is 2, so 2 factorial times 3 factorial times what? 4 factorial. This is permutation of multi-choice. There are different choices which are distinct or identical. So what do? Let's just take our calculator and find 9 factorial, and that will be giving you a value of 362880. Then we come to 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. That is 2. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. That will be 6. This is going to be 4 times 3, 12, times 2, that will be 24. So if you put all that together, which is 12 times 24, that also gives you 288. So 362880 divided by 288, and that will give us that will be 1260 ways. So these are the various ways by which these balls can be arranged in 9 holes, and that will be the option A as the best answer. All right, thanks for watching.